Down to my trade of today. The song of the day, by the way, is "I Believe" by Fantasia. It just suits like where I am in life right now. But so today when market opened, we had this huge gap up, um, and we had this pretty head and shoulders. I ain't gonna lie, it was pretty straightforward today. Like there was nothing, no, I wasn't a scientist today. It was just an architect. The architect saw the head and shoulders gap below. Now the only thing is, I've seen this before where you would have a gap or something in the opposite direction, and then we just keep running up. So if price got up here, I was gonna sell, but I saw the head and shoulders. When I first saw it, I didn't even trust it, honestly. But then when market opened, we sold off a bit, and then we got this huge push up. So then I was like, maybe we do target this. But then when I saw the way the candle looked when it was selling, and both EMAs are right here, like as resistance holding it down, I was like, if we get the break of this, I'm gonna sell, even without a sweep. I thought a sweep would be ideal, but like the way this candle formed, even though it's a small candle, but in real time, it just it just supported the like where price was going. It just supported the head and shoulders. I don't know. So yeah, I got in, and then I didn't even target 3R. I targeted 4R because when the momentum, I was watching this one. I usually just set my alerts and set it, but once we got through this, the psychological 500 level, I was like, okay, I felt really confident in the trade. I have over here marked out as liquidity too. So now I was thinking like, because usually we don't fill the gaps, like the entire gap on the first day it was created. So even though I knew I was going for four, I was committed to going for four. It was just like, it is a possibility this turns around and runs up. And I was okay with that, completely okay. Even after I hit 2R, after I hit 3R, and then this green candle came back in, I moved here to that's 0.5%. That's my break even after we hit 2R. So if we got tagged out at 0.5%, I was completely fine giving away my 3R trade for the possibility because I just felt like it was going to be a 4R trade today, which it was. So it's nice to know like my analysis is correct. Now, that ain't saying like if this was a 0.5% day, I would have still came on here and been like, oh yeah, I really wanted four. So, but it worked out today. So I don't know what's going to happen beforehand. And you know what's funny is I felt like if it hit four, then we would probably, tag here. I have this zone marked off for a reason, but I wasn't about to push it there. I just I didn't want to start deviating too far from my targets and my normal plan. So, but yeah, really, really great trade today. Straightforward. I Believe by Fantasia. That's the song of the day. I've been bumping that. But yeah, on to the next one.